What is sleep? Sleep is defined as a state of unconsciousness for which a person can be aroused. It is an active, organized process. Also, it is an irreversible, unconscious state where our internal biologic clock regulates our biologic rhythm, or what is more commonly known as circadian rhythm. This is over a 24-hour period. Stages of sleep. We experience two major divisions of sleep state: rapid eye movement, or REM sleep, which is characterized by the rapid and random movement of the eyes. This takes up to 20% of the total sleep time, while non-REM takes up to 80%. Non-REM sleep has three stages. These are light sleep, slightly deeper sleep, and deep sleep. During the non-REM sleep, restorative functions and hormones are released, which helps the body rebuild itself from damage done during the day. Dreaming. The purpose of dreaming is not well understood, but it probably relates to the processing information, memories, and thoughts that were received during the day. We normally lose the use of our limbs while we are in the REM sleep. The loss of muscle activity in this state prevent us from acting out our dreams. Thus, we have an active mind in an inactive body. Sleep disorders. Sleep disorders may occur during the stages of sleep. For example, sleepwalking and night terrors are common problems in children. These usually occur during the non-REM sleep. For adults, obstructive sleep apnea, narcolepsy, and restless leg syndrome are more evident, while the elderly are prone to be awakened by disturbances and lose the ability to consolidate sleep.